Well, YouTube, I ran into a problem. It doesn't fit in there. The windshield. What's up, YouTube? I'm back in the still standing garage, and today we're working on the 78 Monte again. I am working on the stereo today. This car does still have the original 8-track stereo. It does turn on, it does work. I did end up taking it apart, or actually taking it out of the dash to clean it out, dust it all off, and make sure that all the grounds were making contact. One thing I noticed is that the front speakers are blown. So I'll try to play a clip here. Just a short clip so you can see that the front speakers sound pretty bad. This Monte has two 3.5-inch speakers, one on the passenger side here, and then we got the other one over there on the driver's side. I did order some speakers from crutchfield.com. I also ordered the adapter. It's a plug that plugs into the original harness of the car here, because I believe this car, since the original stereo is still in there, I'm pretty sure that the plug is still original. I don't want to cut into it. I want to keep it intact, so I am using an adapter to plug in those new speakers. So let's start taking these apart. I probably should have checked on these speakers when I had the windshield off. It would have been a lot easier to remove, but it is what it is. We can still take them off. It's not a big deal, but it would have been a lot easier. I could have been able to take off the whole dash when the windshield was out, but I didn't think about it at the time. So live and learn on the next project. Use a little screwdriver to pry it out. There it is. Yep, original plug. Good thing I ordered that adapter. That's what this looks like. It's original speaker. All right, now on the bench, gotta take off these quick nuts or whatever they're called. It's gonna be a 8mm socket. The good thing is that these are slotted, so we'll see how we could take this off without taking off that other one, because it looks like this one's stripped, this other one. Ooh, look at that. 1978 speaker right here, maybe 77, because they should have built them the year before. But look at that. Damn, it's falling apart as I touch it. Very nasty, very old school. It's like a little protector, I guess, so none of that dust falls through the grill here. Here I thought that the grill was dirty, but it's actually this right here what you're seeing. The speakers are in. Got the kickers right here from crutchfield.com. DSC 350 is the model number for these. I also got the adapters right here. The adapters right here for that plug that I was telling you guys about, that's stock on the car. Also, these speakers were only 50 bucks, and they sent me the plugs for free, the adapters. I looked everywhere else. I couldn't find them anywhere else cheaper. Crutchfield.com. Check them out. Let's open up the plugs over here. It's really cool that they actually provide this for free when you buy the speakers. Makes it a lot easier. I don't want to cut anything. I thought I wasn't going to be able to find it because what's a 78, and I'm like, yeah, I'm not going to be able to find it. But Crutchfield has a lot of things in there for a lot of cars. I haven't been on their website in like, I don't know how long. There it is. Real simple. Plop it into the car, plug it in, and there it is. They make it so easy. Let's go put them on. Well, YouTube, I ran into a problem. It doesn't fit in there. The windshield's in the way, or the dash, however you want to look at it, but it doesn't fit in there. I don't want to squeeze it in there because I am going to start cracking the dash. It's so brittle right now, so I don't want to do that. So I'm thinking what I need to do is I need to remove the spacer there, the little dust protector there. So I am going to take it off, see if that helps it out. I mean, it's only a little bit, as you can see there. So like I said, I don't want to push it in there, possibly crack the windshield over here, and, you know, possibly damage the dashboard more than what it already is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, take off that dust protector, and then see if it fits. Took a little bit of finessing to get it in there, but it's in there, it's snug, it's not going anywhere. I did have to modify the grill a little bit to make it fit in here. I had to go and cut the rod that pretty much holds the back side of the grill into the dash, so I had to snip it off, and it made it work and made it fit. I actually like the way that it looks without that dust protector. You could actually see the speaker in there. You could even see the K there for kicker. So it's looking pretty good. It's all plugged in, ready to go. I got to do the driver's side next. Once I get that done, we'll test it out. I won't record that because it's going to be exactly the same thing as this. Let's keep it moving. Both sides are now installed. Just finished up on the driver's side. I did damage the dashboard here a bit when I was trying to put it in with the grill inside of there. And I mean, it is what it is. I am planning on redoing this whole interior anyways. This dash, I am planning on sending it to Just Dashes. So hopefully they can fix that. I'm pretty sure they can. I mean, it's all cracked anyways, but I didn't want to damage it anymore. One thing I did have to do different than I did with the passenger side on this one was that I had to put the speaker inside first and then install the grill on it. It took a little bit more time, but I got it done. And now it's time to test it out. Let's go in here, see what we got going on.
Being part of a community.
Here we go. We're in a commercial right now. Let me switch it over just to the front. Yeah. No more blown out
from the K-Day Morning Show, and right now I got my man Gino in studio. You had an accident not too long ago.
Sounds really good. I really like the way that they sound. They actually bump. If you were able to hear the bass on the radio, I mean on the video here, it will sound really good.
You know, they led me through the whole
That's all of them together, front and back.
Tell us about the outcome of your case that you had with Jacob and Ronnie.
Let's just
Really happy with these. Really like the way that it worked out.
The amount that I
Sound
was
really
expecting.
good.
I was in disbelief when I heard.
Turn that off. Now the only thing is that I have to replace the rear deck over here. So let me see if I can get a nice video of that. You see the deck is pretty dirty back there, but I do want to replace those speakers. They sound good. They're not blown out or anything like that. They sound really good, but they are 4x10s, so I do want to get some 4x10 kickers. For right now, they're playing out pretty good. So hopefully later on I'm able to replace this deck too if I do decide to, because right now I can't hear anything other than the radio. And then also I am waiting for an 8-track to get here. I did order one so I could see if I could try this out and see if it actually works, and then go from there. So let's keep it moving. G-body's still standing. Let's go.